Lucky's Wheels and Deals today. Look what we got. We got these headlights in. Melly don't know what they look like.
No, I don't.
It's gonna be a surprise for her, surprise for you guys. So
they make so many different ones. I wonder which one you chose.
Oh, matter of fact, let's let them look at the factory headlights first. How good or how bad they is. The car
They're not
dirty.
too bad.
Never mind the car. So that's
Look.
salt and snow. It just got done snowing. It was snowing out here yesterday. They're not too bad.
We seen worse.
Yeah, we seen worse. So let's get it. Come on, let's see.
What we got?
You ready?
I wonder which ones you chose. I'm kind of excited.
Not gonna like it. You
Really?
think you gonna like them or not?
I think I'm gonna like them.
I know I like them. Hey, and better be the ones I order. You know how eBay go.
Right?
Let's see. Here goes the brand right there.
It's packed for your protection. Ooh.
Let's see.
Ooh, wait.
It's stuck in there.
Oh, I know what one these are.
Voila.
These are clean. I know because of that.
Oh yeah, I like that. These look clean.
It doesn't have the
Halo.
eyebrows, huh?
Nah, I didn't want the eyebrows. I'd rather have that.
Yeah, the little ear duct.
Or whatever. Or the piercing.
Oh my God.
The piercing on the side of the eye.
Yeah.
Or the tattoo on the side of the face. But yeah, look at that. That's gonna look right.
I think so.
That's gonna look right. We're gonna put this one in there first. Let me put this down here. So this is another little easy. It's not as easy as the 02, or I mean the 2000 to the 2005 Monte Carlos. You do pop this. You do pop this out, but you do need a tool. On my little tool. Then right here, this is a 7. So just pop this off. That's the only difference.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's gonna look clean because man, these lights kept tweaking and cutting out. I don't know. I had been riding around with the brights. I'm like, man, if I turn my brights off, the car will be dark. I can't see. I don't know. I don't know what other people would do, but I think I'd rather drive with the brights on than drive with no lights on at night. What y'all think?
They're plug and play.
Better be plug and play. It should be easy, like boom. Oh, it should be.
Like, it better be.
It better be all the money I spent on these. Let's see.
Oh, now.
Now you seen the vision.
It blends in good. Even with the car dirty as hell.
This back in there. Slide that back in there.
Yes, buddy.
That should be that easy. So, what I'm gonna do, close this all the way, make sure it fits in there right. Now look at both of them versus each other.
Yeah. Are your brights on? Oh.
Let's see what it look like. Oh yes. Way better. This one don't even come on. You see what I'm talking about, y'all? See what I got to deal with? It kicked on and then it kicked off. You see that shit? That's without the hazard. I mean the brakes. High beam.
You
Okay.
gotta show them the side.
Man, it's that easy, man. Things look clean, man. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. Hold that real quick.
That looks sexy.
And I gotta wash this whole car now.
Yeah, we do. All of them.
Wash it off. Yeah, all these fucking got stuck in the snow, man. I wash all this salt and all that shit splashing on it. Yeah, this is like the little last touch that's gonna like just make a dramatic change. And everything else after this is all like little itty bitty little touches. I want to do the cover too. I like to paint those and customize those. I still got a lot of more stuff going on with this car though. It's not over. Not yet.
But yeah, the taillights and the headlights a must.
Yeah. Damn. I can sell those. I'm about to sell. So let's open this one and it better be the right one. God damn.
You think it's gonna be the right one?
We're gonna see. Oh yeah, it better be the right one. It better not fuck this one up. Oh yeah. Oh, I must have opened the other one backwards from the bottom. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's gonna look a million times better. Y'all can't tell me this shit don't look tight. And if y'all say it don't, y'all goddamn lie. Tell me it don't look good. You a goddamn lie if you say it don't look good.
Yes, buddy.
Sounds like something a hater would say. Hey, he said the car's alright, but the rims is ugly. Sound like something a hater would say. Haters be saying that. Car is alright. Well, it's always like to say, it's alright. Why you getting to say, oh yeah, it's cool, man, I like it. Why it gotta be so hard to say you like someone else's car? You gotta say it's alright. And all that. It's cool, but the rims is ugly. Why you gotta add that? Why he gotta add that 2 cent hater shit?
That's negative stuff.
Negative, motherfucker. That shit's in there. Yeah, what the hell? Look at it. Yeah, it looks way better. You can't tell me it don't look right. Look at the tail lights. Look at the tail lights, man. I put the hazards on. All right, turn them off. Oh hell yeah. That's the high beams? Oh yeah. Turn the other one on. Hell yeah. Turn the fog lights on. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, that's just right, man. But yeah, just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out.